Kuku. Abronye call court no. A day na court to catch Abronye. This guy is a lawyer. He's a lawmaker. He's a lawmaker who punched a police officer in uniform, slapped a police officer in uniform. Afenyo-Markin. Now they know all kind of. I'm very sure 99% of the MPP fools, they don't even understand. He's misleading them. He's lying to them. Wakwa top brony suit. Chape. Ena kakawura ye di trim. Ena bofruit na nabi dinechi. Ena nkwasi afoma ehia afoma na eboje so. Wa dress chape. Ena onam nipanim. Adan ya we na odi a party nim MPP fu ejimi. Na asemo ka nyina ne se ai ontiasie se Abronye police ato omo nsa afre no. Abronye ebe kana no asem wie no. Ena police focus da bi won sem na waka no ene evidence there wo no. We need to still do investigations. Intia ma wonko. Ena police eka say and the NIB, which is another branch of our security. NIB is not for foreigners. The NIB is another branch of Ghana security. The Ghana security system, NIB, and the police say, you know something? The NIB, we believe said now to protect Abronye, we want the NIB to keep Abronye. The police did not say NIB should beat Abronye. And to date, Abronye lawyer, Emba Bontebeka said, Obia assaulted Abronye in the cells of NIB. And I said, Abronye's rights, it has been abused in any form, or NIB. Maybe. Police, if one kasa intelligence, nature almost say. So, when the Abronye echo makes the ABA, the cells, population, or